Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, talking about addition again today. So today, before we go any further, what I need you to get are like at least, let's say, 7 objects. Okay, so these could be like pennies, coins, could be like little Legos or toys, blocks, but you need 7. So that's 5, 6, 7. So if you need to pause the video to go get that, then please do that. And then when you have your 7 objects, come on back, hit the play button, and we will continue. Okay, awesome. All right, see you in a second. All right, welcome back. So the last time we were talking about addition, we were doing teddy bears, right? Which was super fun, and a house. You now have something else in front of you. I'm going to still use my teddy bears, and we'll see if we end up with the same thing. So we are talking about, again, addition, right? And when you add things, you already have a certain amount that you're adding to, or you already have 2 amounts that you put together. So we are going to start with a certain number and then add to it again today. So whatever object you have, I would like you to show wherever you are on your desk or you are. I want you to put down 2 of them. Okay, so I want you to put down 2 of them. So I will do the same thing. I'll put down 2 of my teddy bears. Okay, and next I would like you to add. So I'm going to put my plus sign, because remember plus means add. I would like you to add 3 more. So I want you to add 3 more, and I'll do it with my teddy bears. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you had 2 of your toys or pennies or whatever you have, and then you added 3 more. And so now how many do you have? I want you to count them up and see how many you have. So if you said 5, you are correct. All right? If you're still like figuring this out and you're not sure, but you're doing your best, you're paying attention, you're doing great. Your brain is growing. Awesome job. Okay, so let's count and make sure that it's 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we started with 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so yes, we do have 5. So I'll put my 5 in there. So we have 5. Okay? All right, let's do another one. This time I would like you to show me, or actually I can't really see you, but put down 4 objects. Okay, 4 of your whatever it is that you have in front of you. Okay, so count out 4 of them. Now I'm not going to show the teddy bears until the very end. Okay, so you can do this. All right, and now I want you to, and also boys and girls, remember, if you ever need to pause the video from going too fast, I know I kind of talk fast sometimes, I get excited about math, just pause it. You can rewind if you forgot something, and when you're ready, just catch on up. Okay, so let's add 2 more. Okay, so add 2 more. So you have 4. You're adding 2 more. Actually, let's do it this way. You have 4. You're adding 2 more. Okay, and now count how many you have. All right, and while you're counting, I'll start doing mine. So I have 4 bears in the house, and I add 2 more, and I get, looks like I'm going to get, let's see, I have 4 here, 5, 6. Did you get 6? If you did, great job. If you didn't, but you're trying and you're working through it and you're doing your best, your brain is growing, so great job. All right, so 4 and 2, 4 plus, or we could say 4 and 2 makes 6. Or I could say 4 plus 2 is 6. All right, so let's do another one, and I'm going to introduce you to a new math symbol that you may or may not have seen before. Okay, so this time, let's start with 4. No, let's not do 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, let's do 4 again. 4 objects. Okay, So again, put down 4 of your dolls or markers or pencils, whatever it is that you have. It's awesome. I want you to now add, let's pretend like somebody gave you some more, okay? So someone's giving you, adding to the number that you have. Your friend gives you 3 more. So I want you to add, I want you to add 3 more to your total. Okay, so you had 4, and now you're adding 3. And now count to see how many, what is 4 plus 3? 4 and 3 makes what? All right, so while you're figuring that out, I'll put my bears down. I have 4. I'm going to add, somebody gave me 3 more, so I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's see how many we have. I'm going to count it 2 different ways. I'm going to count them all one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I've got 7. Or I could have just said, well, I know that's 4 because I started with 4. And then I count on 5, 6, 7. Either way, I get 7. Okay? So here's what I'm going to teach you, though, is another way you could show the 7 is to say it like this. 4 and 3 equals, have you ever seen this? The 2 lines like that? Equals 7. So equals, this symbol right here, equals, goes like this, right? This is plus, this is equals, means the same as. So 4 and 3, 4, let's see, 4, how about this? 4 and 3, or no, 4, 4 and 3 is the same as, 7, right? Because I have 7 fingers up, I have 7 bears. 4 bears and 3 bears is the same as 7 bears. Yeah, all right. So that's the equal sign. All right, so we'll do some more work with that. Let's do a couple more. This time I want you to show me just one object. I know. We'll get bigger, don't worry. One object, okay? And let's say one of your friends says, oh no, you've only got 1. I'm going to give you a lot more. I'm going to give you 5 more. So 1 and 5. 1 plus 5. So add 5 more and then count to see how many you have. So I'm going to do it with my little bears here. 1 bear. 1 bear's lonely, so he invites over 5 of his friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you count it up, 1 plus 5, it should be the same as 6. If you got 6, great job. If you're still kind of confused and you're trying to figure it out, but you're doing your best, your brain is growing, you're doing great. Okay, so let's look. Do we have 6? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to do is 1 and 5 is the same as, equal to 6. There it is. 1 and 5 is 6. Okay, last one for today. And then the next time I'm going to give you the equation. This is called an equation. Actually, we're going to call it a number sentence because it's a sentence with numbers. Normally, like a sentence, you think of it with words, right? Like you're reading like, the teddy bear went to the house, right? Or the piggy went to the farm, or I don't know, something, whatever. It's a sentence. These are sentences with numbers. So they're number sentences that tell a story. In this case, it tells the story of a bear who was lonely and had 5 of his friends or her friends over, and now there are 6 bears in the house. Your story might be different. It might be that like, oh, there was, I had one toy, and my friend gave me 5 more, and now I have 6. Okay? All right, so this will be the last one for today. I would like you to show me 5 of your objects. All right, so count out 5. I would like you to add 2 more. So add 2 more. So you have 5, I want you to add 2 more. And then count and see how many you have total. So I'll do the same. I'm going to count out 5 of my teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They had a little party, so 2 more came over. 1, 2. And now how many do you have? Did you say, well, let's count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you said 7, you are correct. Remember, if you're still working this through, but you're doing your best, your brain's growing. Excellent job. Okay, so I could have just said this. I knew I had 5, right? So I could have said, I have 5. I'm going to count on 6, 7. It's a little bit faster, okay? All right, so here's our equal sign. Equals 7. Okay, equals 7. So 5 and 2 is the same as 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. There's different ways that we can read these number sentences. All right, boys and girls, great job. It's been a long video, I know, but I hope you enjoyed working with your objects. You can keep doing this on your own. Have fun with it, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.